Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and this is going to be another short one. Today I'm at my neighbor's house, so we're having a little birthday party for Sophia. Hi Sophia! She just turned 6 years old and she brought me a soda. Thank you so much, Princess. And I am so happy to be here amongst my friends, flying the American flag here in the canyon in North County, San Diego. And things are beautiful out here today.
I think so. Could you put here?
Mami, yo no me quiero abrir la puerta.
Ahora vamos a calar. Come on.
And we're going to have our little birthday party here. And you can see my house right there. Hi everyone, it's the next day and welcome to the next day. Today I am working on finishing putting this awning that blew off back up. I'm going to reinforce it this time so no matter what, it's not going to blow over. I think I just didn't fasten it well enough. But I'll show you what I'm trying to do with this. It's about the only way that I can do it by myself and get to it to repair it. And this is an old trailer, and be putting a new tarp on it every other year is a real pain. So this is a kind of a permanent thing up here. Really nothing's permanent, but this is as good as I'm going to be able to get with this. And I'll show you where I was yesterday. I was up there at Sophia's birthday party. And Sophia, I am sorry, I said you were 6 years old. No, you were turning 7 years old. Congratulations. And I had a lot of fun at your party. Thank you for inviting me. What's new in this video that I can talk about and keep it short? Well, those spiders that were back a few videos ago, the orb spiders, they were just like everywhere. I think they came out way too early because I can't hardly find any of them any longer. I thought they were way too early, so they're out right now while the birds are laying nests and having chicks out there, and they're feeding their birds. And I think the hummingbirds are all over here as well. So I think they were eaten up and their webs were used by the hummingbirds because they're just literally gone. I don't know where the heck they went, but they're gone in like a week. And that normally doesn't happen when those orb spiders come out. They grow big webs. They get about a size of about a quarter. And that is an unusual thing, probably due to all the different climate changes we're having. And I can't keep up with these blackberries. I have so many in here. They're so fun to eat, but I'm getting full of blackberries. This is how this system works. I have 1/2-inch conduit that's going up to those little corrugated things that you can use for your awning for a roofing material. Then I will fasten that, glue and fasten that with construction adhesive, screw those down when I put my panels back up. Down here, I rest this on another split by a 2x3. I fasten them down with another screw and a 1/2 anchor, regular conduit anchor, and then screw the material, the same material as this, down on the wood, and it's solid. Thing is I've got to make sure I fasten that wood down really hard, tight on this piece here, and then nail the cross beams that go to the ground down really good too, because that's what happened. This whole thing just lifted up and just went tore it up. So that was my error, my bad. So I'm going to fix that. In order to accommodate the 1/2-inch, this was my first attempt, and that didn't work out too good. This is the first time around. The second time around, I figured out a better way to do it. I smashed the conduit to fit the piece here, and I cut this piece to be rigid by using the oscillating tool. That'll be the end of the video for today. I will keep you informed. I will keep this video going on my project here. I'm fixing this roof, or this canopy up. I'm getting the garden watered right now, and my basil going. That is making the best pesto. Oh, that is such good stuff. So, that's it. Thanks for watching.